Okay, so I went ahead and put all of the bag, everything that was in the bag. You can put some salt while it's cooking. Okay, and now for the other ingredient, we are going to, well, we already have this. We can start by putting the olive oil onto the pan. Let it start heating up as well with the butter. And I'm very hungry. Can't wait to eat this food. That's how much I'm gonna put. Alright, I had to stop the video for a little while because I had to look at the recipe and all that. So we had to chop the tomato, 1 clove of garlic. Right here I have the onion, 2 cups minced. Here we have the spaghetti, it's still cooking. And now we are just with the butter cooking the zucchini with the mushroom, and then we're gonna put all those ingredients in there, and afterward we're gonna put it onto that. So it should be delicious. I'll let you guys know how it all goes. See you guys in a bit. Alright y'all, so I know I cut off a lot of the parts of the video, but like, you know, I had to look at the recipe, the directions, but I will put all that in the link below, so you guys can also look at that with the directions, with the website. This is how it came out. It looks delicious and it's healthy, even though it has the cheese and all that. I was looking at it, says it was 260 calories, so that's pretty good. And you know, we got some zucchini, we got the tomatoes, we got the, you know, all these vegetables on the mushrooms, so it's gonna be healthy. It's vegetarian. Yeah.